Oh, some of these little boys are stalking it.
Right, you better watch before you get hit by a candy. That's my jam, Bad Boys. Right there's one, Butterfinger.
Oh my gosh, they're all cops. We need this on Facebook.
Where's the clowns at? Where's your mom in there?
What?
Where's your mom and you?
I bet they're stuck now.
Bro, these fucking lights are bright and I'm getting a headache. I'm gonna pass out. Yeah, I think they had a Band-Aid. Yeah. It's the Halloween parade. Oh, you hear it? You hear it? Hold her. When they throw candy here, you grab it, okay? Don't go all the way out there, okay? And they get bigger, yeah. Ooh. Oh, God! Oh, God! That shit just hit me like right, like, them chips is just coming at us. You don't give a fuck, man. Savage. Oh, look at Brian. He's getting candy and giving it to them kids. He's so nice. He just don't like when nobody see him like that. Candy, let me see. Open up. Look at all that candy from just sitting here.
I look just like your
Yeah,
mom
you know I
today.
came out here dressed like Ted.
That's the end of it?